What's up, guys? Today we're back with another video, and we are playing Nortori. I don't know. It's a robbing game, and let's go in, I guess. Let's go. And before we get into this, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. Yes, I finally got it. Yeah. Just got to wait until this loads. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. That was probably really loud. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Sorry. That was probably loud. That's called a pen. I don't know. Yeah, Nortori. That's what I'm gonna call it, okay? If it's not right, then I'm sorry. Nortori. Oh. Oh, that's loud. That's loud. That's loud. Oh, let me turn that down. Oh, that's really loud. Oh, God, that's loud. That's loud. That's loud. You probably can't hear it, but I can, and it's really loud. Alright, okay. I got a cardboard safe. That's pretty cool. Ooh. Heck yeah. Purchases? Purchases. Purchases? Purchases? Oh, God. Why is there only one thing? Ooh, that's nice. How much money do I have? Nah, I can't get that, can I? How do I get... I have to go all the way up. How do I get out? Guys? Oh, back right here. Oh, God, I'm an idiot. Back. I don't want that. I don't want that. Any other mask? Comedy. Sorry. Let's do this one. Oh, a bat? Oh, a knife or a bat? I think a bat is better. That's how much damage, and that's how much damage. A bat has way more damage. Okay, let me do that one instead. And safes. Oh, I have the safe. Open it. Let's see, what do I get? Skip. What do I get? Huh? I can't see anything. Nothing and no safes in your inventory. Thanks. Ooh, what do I have? Oh, I only have that type of armor. Equipment. I have really no equipment. Back. You know what? Let's just play a game. This looks like has one person. Looks like a bank, so I'm gonna do this one. Oh, he has bunny ears. Nice. Nice, bro. Nice, bro. Nice, nice. Oh, I'm ready up. I'm gear. I'm good. I got all my stuff. Skill. Oh, I'm good at cards. What? That's great. I have that. Alright, back. Alright. Come on, I'm ready. Ready up. Ready up. That not ready, not ready, not ready. Oh, God. I'm ready. Oh, there we go. Woo! That was very big. clap. Oh my god, I really need to turn this. There. That's better. Alright. Let's go do this. And also, looks like a champagne room. This looks like a very nice restaurant. I don't think we're going to get a lot of money after this. But it's worth trying. Oh god, it's really hard. Hooray! I'm probably going to be the worst person in the team. I'm ready. Got my game face on. Got stuff. Oh god, that's really high. It's kind of like GTA. Mm. Did you? No, don't you dare leave. Don't leave. How do I do this? I forgot. How do I do this? No, 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 don't you dare. Don't you dare. Don't. Dang. Down on the ground. Don't kill civilians. No, you idiots. Oh, God. Down. I really do not want to do this. I really don't want to do this, but how do I do this? No, 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 get down. Get down. Get down. I'm going to kill you. If not, I'm going to kill you. Dang it. Cops arrive. Oh, I need help. I need medical help. God dang. We really didn't choose to fight, right? We choose to die. That's exactly what I do not want. But I'm deserving. But I'm getting. I'm picking it up. Steal. I got 10K. Got 10K. Under assault. Oh, God. 9 are not happy, and 4 are dead. Wow. I'm not a part of that. I don't want to be a part of that. This is nonsense. Ah! I got the bag! Dang it. Oh god, that's a shield. Damn. Dang it. Reload, come on. I lost ammo. Guess I'm going with the pistol. You really want me to pick this up? Dang. Most biggest target in the all. So I can pick it up. God, that's a sniper. I'm trying to look cool, but I'm not because I'm just an idiot. I'm just an idiot who doesn't know how to crouch. That's a... Whoa, that was a juggernaut. Really, a bulldozer? This is kind of like Payday 2. Or Payday. It's kind of like that. I don't know. But, yeah. Shaky. I don't know. Yeah. Guess I'm just going around with this guy. Zach? I can't do anything, can I? I'm really useless. Alright. Alright. Well, yeah. Well, I died. I guess that's it for this video. I'll see you guys later. Don't forget to like and subscribe down below. Bye.